This is an example of negative slope. It is decreasing from left to right. Slope is the rise over the run. To count the slope, find two perfect points. I know that this is a negative slope, so that's my setup. I know it's going to have a negative in front. Start at the most bottom coordinate or point, and you're going to count the rise. I am rising 1, 2, 3, all over the run, and I'm running to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is negative 3 over 5. You can also use your slope formula to find slope. Remember, it is the change in y, y2 minus y1, all over x2 minus x1. So my y2 is negative 3, minus my y1 is 0, all over x2, which is 1, minus x1, which is negative 4. Be careful with your negatives. The subtraction is part of the formula, but you're inserting a negative 4 for x1. Negative 3 minus 0 is negative 3. 1 minus negative 4 is going to give you positive 5.